Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and I'm really glad that you're joining me today in my kitchen. So I have a question for you. What is some of your favorite vegetables? Well, one of mine is Brussels sprouts. Yeah, Brussels sprouts. I just love them. And one of my favorite ways to cook them is to just coat them in a little bit of butter and olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast them in the oven. There's just something about roasting them that just makes them so delicious. I love it when the leaves get crispy. They're just delicious, all on their own, just like that. Or you could drizzle a little bit of balsamic glaze over top. But today, I am going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to make a maple sauce to go with the roasted Brussels sprouts. Yeah, these are delicious. You will want to stay tuned and see just how to make them because it is that time to get cooking. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut the Brussels sprouts. And I'm just going to simply cut the ends off and then cut them in half. So I think I forgot to mention that this is a pound of Brussels sprouts. And the thing that's nice about these is they come in a bag. They've already been washed and rinsed. They are ready to eat. So my Brussels sprouts are all cut. I'm going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of melted butter and also about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I just really like the combination of both. And I'm going to give a good pinch of salt. And black pepper. Give them a toss. You just want to make sure that the Brussels sprouts are really good and coated with that butter and olive oil. I think I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. All right, then pour them onto a greased baking tray that I have lined with aluminum foil. Spread them out. And then bake in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. While my Brussels sprouts are in the oven, I'm going to make the maple sauce. Now bear with me. Have an open mind. This is delicious. Just trust me. You will need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then just mix them together. I'm ready for them to come out of the oven. Oh, there has never been a more wonderful sound than the timer going off. Oh, yes. Look at these. And look at all these little crispy. Oh, I love those leaves. Okay, so I'm just going to scrape these into a bowl. All right, I'm going to drizzle over this sauce. Give them a coat. Oh, these smell delicious. All right, so I'm going to transfer them to a bowl just because I want them to be pretty. And I'm about to dive in. But first I want to show you what they look like. All right, can no longer wait. Listen. These are delicious. They would make the best side dish. Honestly, I think I could eat this whole bowl. They're that good. All right. If you love Brussels sprouts, please give these a try. You will not be sorry. Trust me. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.